So hey friends, we will just need these products. First of all, we will need a breadboard, a Arduino. I'm using a Arduino Uno. Then you will need four male to male jumper wires, a passive buzzer. Okay, you can use the active buzzer also, but I'm using a passive buzzer. And you can have a should have a button also. This is a removable thing. Don't worry. This is just a cap. We have this. This is the real button. This is just a cap. So you can put the cap again. Okay. So now let's begin with the project. First, get the Arduino and the breadboard. Place it like this. Then put the button in the center. Remember the parallel lines you are going to put, which it will help. Like this, you have to put it in the breadboard. You can place the buzzer also at that same time, then we will do the wiring. So this is the buzzer. It has a long leg and a short leg. Okay. Always remember the long leg is the positive side. So just place it anywhere in the breadboard. I'm placing it over here. Remember the distance. The distance is almost, for my case, it's almost 1, 2. Yeah, the third one it is. And then we will do, that's it, nothing else. You will also need this type A to B port for connecting it and uploading the code. Now just get different male to female wires and just one end of the button to the ground pin of the Arduino, just like this. I'm putting all the wires in one by one, telling you something like this. The it should be parallel. Oh, it should be parallel to the button also. So make sure. After that, the second should go to any digital pin. My recommendation is to put it in the second pin because the code is designed to that. You can just change it's the variable. You can just change it in the code. So the second, oh, now you can see, just put it parallel. If you don't put it parallel, it will not work. So I'm just changing it to the second or ground pin. Okay, just like this. The second pin, the button second end should go to the digital pin 2. Then we have the buzzer. The buzzer positive should go to the long leg. I think so. This is the long leg. This should go to the digital pin 8 or any of the digital pin you like from 1 to 13. And then this should go to the ground pin, just like this. Okay, now let's upload the code and let's see how it's working. Check the connections also. If any connection is loose, just tight it. Yeah. As you can see, it's lighted up. Now let's upload the code. This is the code. Remember that this is the buzzer pin. It should be 8 if you have put it the buzzer pin. So basically, the circuit is completed now. This is the main code for the passive buzzer, and just you can see it. The buzzer pin is 8 and the button pin is 2. Okay, you can switch as per that and just connect with your laptop and then upload this whole code in that, and then just press it and it will work 100% fine. See that on the Arduino, the L LED is also a bit reacting. So this was a simple project. If you are using a active buzzer, the code will be different. Just paste this code into any chatbot and tell it that convert this into the active buzzer code, and it will work simply. There will be a minor changes, nothing else. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.